I left Tokyo early on a clear morning, heading north toward Ikaho Onsen. The roads were quiet and the drive felt easy. My navigation app was running, and the blue line on the screen traced the route ahead. I didn't need to think about directions. I just had to follow it. It hadn't always been like this. Before navigation apps, I used to write out the turns on a notepad before leaving home and keep it open on the passenger seat. If I missed a turn or hit unexpected traffic, there wasn't much I could do. I'd sit in it and hope it cleared. I'd arrive late and a little frustrated. That morning, about an hour into the drive, the app flagged congestion ahead on my planned route and suggested an alternative. The new road wasn't one I would have chosen on my own, but I accepted the suggestion and turned off the highway. Almost immediately, the traffic thinned. The road narrowed and wound through countryside I hadn't seen before. Fields, low hills, a few small towns. I thought about what would have happened on the old route. I'd probably still be sitting in that congestion, watching the clock, recalculating how late I'd arrive. Instead, I was moving through a part of the country I'd never driven through before. It felt like a small bonus the day hadn't promised. That's when I noticed the building. It was small and set back slightly from the road, with a sign styled like something from 1960s America. I almost didn't stop. But I did stop. And the moment I opened the door, I heard it. Rock and roll, clear and bright, coming from somewhere near the back of the room. The interior matched the music. Vintage American posters covered the walls. Photographs of hot rods and motorcycles filled every space between them. Chrome fittings caught the light from the windows. The owner was a Japanese man in his 50s, with the quiet confidence of someone who had spent years putting this place together exactly as he imagined it. He said nothing and didn't need to. He set down a hamburger in front of me, thick, juicy, held together with a wooden skewer, and a plate of fat French fries still crackling from the fryer. It was not what I had expected to find on a mountain road in Gunma, but it was exactly right. I sat there longer than I planned. The music kept playing. A song came on that I recognized but couldn't name. Back in the car, the blue line picked up where it had left off. Ikaho was still an hour away. I pulled back onto the road, a little slower than before. There was no reason to rush now.